Dropshipping secrets, earn Rs 2000 daily. What if I told you that you could make Rs 2000 profit every single day with dropshipping? No inventory, no warehouse, just smart selling strategies. That's right, you don't need to handle any products yourself. It's all about finding the right products, pricing them strategically, and getting them in front of eager buyers. In this video I'll show you an easy step-by-step method where you sell products for Rs 200, Rs 400, Rs 600, and scale up to make Rs 2000 in daily profits. We'll cover everything from finding hot products to marketing them like a pro, all without breaking the bank. So let's dive into the smart selling dropshipping strategy and unlock your potential to earn serious money online. Alright, let's kick things off with the foundation of any successful dropshipping business: choosing the right products. This is where it all begins, and trust me, picking the right product can make all the difference. The key here is to find products that are in high demand. You want to tap into what people are already actively searching for and buying. Think about it. It's much easier to sell something people want than to convince them they need something they've never even heard of. Next up, you want to make sure your chosen products have a good profit margin. Remember, you'll be buying these products at a wholesale or discounted price and selling them for a markup. Aim for products that allow for a healthy profit margin, ideally around 50% or more. This gives you room to cover your expenses and still make a decent profit. And finally, when it comes to dropshipping, logistics matter. You want to choose products that are lightweight and easy to ship. This helps keep your shipping costs down and minimizes the risk of damage during transit. It's a win-win for you and your customers. Now let's talk about some of the best-selling product categories in India that fit these criteria. Tech accessories are always a hit. Think phone cases, chargers, headphones. People are always looking for the latest and greatest gadgets, and these accessories are essential. Another hot category is home gadgets. From kitchen appliances to smart home devices, people are constantly looking for ways to make their lives easier and more enjoyable. Beauty and skincare products are also in high demand, with a wide range of options to choose from. And let's not forget about fitness products. With the growing focus on health and wellness, there's a huge market for fitness trackers, yoga mats, and home workout equipment. Let's say you find a Bluetooth earphone on Meesho for Rs 100, but similar ones are selling for Rs 300 on Amazon. That's a Rs 200 profit per sale right there. Not bad, right? But finding the right product is just the first step. Now let's move on to how to price your product smartly to maximize your profits. Okay, now let's talk about the money-making magic, the smart pricing strategy. This is how you turn those products into a steady stream of Rs 2000 daily profits. And the best part, it's all about simple math and understanding your target market. Here's the breakdown. Let's say you have products at different price points: Rs 200, Rs 400, Rs 600, and even Rs 800. Now you don't need to sell a ton of high-ticket items to hit your goal. Imagine this. You sell 10 of those Rs 200 products with a profit margin of Rs 100 each. That's Rs 1000 right there. Then you sell 5 of the Rs 400 products, each with a Rs 200 profit margin, another Rs 1000. See how this works? You're diversifying your product offerings and catering to different budget ranges. You might sell fewer of the higher-priced items, but their profit margins make up for it. Let's say you move 2 of those Rs 600 products, making a Rs 300 profit on each. That's another Rs 600. And even if you only sell 1 of the Rs 800 products with a Rs 500 profit margin, that's still a significant chunk of your daily goal. The key takeaway here is that you don't need to sell hundreds of products to make a good income. By strategically pricing your products and understanding the dynamics of volume and profit margins, you can hit your Rs 2000 daily target without breaking a sweat. Remember, it's all about finding the sweet spot where you're offering attractive prices to customers while still ensuring healthy profits for yourself. Alright, so you've got your winning products and your pricing strategy down pat. Now, the big question: where do you actually sell these products? The good news is, you don't need a fancy website or a massive marketing budget to get started. In fact, some of the best platforms for dropshipping are completely free to use or have very low startup costs. Let's start with the giants in the Indian e-commerce space: Meesho and Flipkart. These platforms have a massive built-in audience actively looking for products like yours. Setting up a seller account is relatively easy, and they handle a lot of the logistics for you, like payment processing and order fulfillment. Next up, we have the power of social media. Instagram and Facebook Marketplace are gold mines for dropshippers. You can create a business profile for free, showcase your products with high-quality images and engaging descriptions, and reach a vast audience organically without spending a single rupee on ads. And don't underestimate the power of direct selling through WhatsApp and Telegram groups. These platforms allow you to connect with potential customers directly, answer their questions, build relationships, and drive sales without any ad costs. Now, if you're looking to scale big and build a long-term brand, creating your own Shopify dropshipping store is the way to go. Shopify provides all the tools and resources you need to create a professional online store, but it does require a bit more investment and effort up front. But here's the beauty of it. You don't have to choose just one platform. You can start with free options like Facebook Marketplace and WhatsApp groups to test the waters and get your first sales rolling in. As you start generating revenue, you can then expand to other platforms like Meesho, Flipkart, and eventually, your own Shopify store. The key is to start small, experiment with different platforms, and see what works best for you and your target audience. Now let's talk about the most crucial aspect of any business: getting customers. You can have the best products and the most attractive prices, but without customers, it's all for nothing. But don't worry, I've got you covered with 3 smart marketing hacks to get your first 10 to 20 customers daily without breaking the bank. First up, let's harness the power of short-form video content with Instagram Reels and Facebook posts. Create eye-catching 15-second reels showcasing your product in action, highlighting its benefits, and adding a touch of personality. Use trending sounds and relevant hashtags to increase your reach and get discovered by potential customers. To sweeten the deal and encourage immediate action, offer a 50 rupee discount to the first 5 buyers who purchase through your reel or post. This creates a sense of urgency and incentivizes people to buy now rather than later. Next, let's tap into the massive user base of WhatsApp with WhatsApp marketing. Create a dedicated WhatsApp business account for your dropshipping venture and upload high-quality photos of your products to your catalog. Join local business groups and communities on WhatsApp and actively engage in conversations. Share your product offerings with a compelling description, highlighting their unique selling points and any ongoing offers. You can even offer exclusive discounts to WhatsApp group members to drive sales and create a sense of community. And finally, let's leverage the power of influencer marketing. Reach out to micro-influencers on Instagram with 5,000 to 10,000 followers in your niche and propose a collaboration. Offer them a free product and a small fee, typically around 200 to 500 rupees, to promote your product to their engaged audience. One well-crafted post from a relevant influencer can drive significant traffic to your page and result in 10+ sales instantly. The key is to choose influencers whose audience aligns with your target market for maximum impact. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to marketing. Don't expect overnight success. Keep creating engaging content, promoting your products, and engaging with your audience. The more you put yourself out there, the more customers you'll attract. So let's recap. Find trending products at low prices. Use smart pricing to make 2,000 rupees profit. Sell on Instagram, WhatsApp, Flipkart, and Meesho. Market using free reels, WhatsApp, and influencers. Dropshipping is all about selling smart, not selling hard. With this method, you can hit 60,000 rupees profit per month. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, keep learning, and adapt your strategies as needed. So, start today and comment below if you need any help. I'm here to support you on your journey to financial freedom, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more money-making strategies. Follow me for more dropshipping secrets and marketing hacks.